How to fix TikTok following glitch. So first, let's open up the TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok, if you're facing a problem following someone, then it might be a sign of too much following. So if you're following too much, or if you have followed more than like 100, 200, or 300, more than the limited quantity of TikTok, then TikTok may restrict you from following. So what you need to do is simply wait for 24 hours, and after waiting for 24 hours you can again follow someone. But if that's not the case, if you're not following too much, then the person that you're trying to follow, so for example I'll be choosing this person. So if you simply go and tap on the follow button, then if you're not being able to follow that person, then that might be a sign of blocking. The other person might have blocked you on TikTok so that you are facing that glitch problem. But if it's not the blocking case, then the last issue is they may have set their account to a private account, and if you try to follow them, then if they are canceling your request or if they are denying your request, then you won't be able to follow that person. So these were the fixes to your TikTok following glitch. But if you're not being able to follow without all of that, then you can go back and go for the upper right, which has that three bad icon. Go for settings and privacy, and scroll down and go for report a problem. And now you can scroll down and you can go for submit a report. And under that, you will get a feedback option. So under your feedback, now what you have to write is, I'm not being able to follow someone. I'm facing a glitch problem while following. So please help me with that. You need to enter your email address and your TikTok username, and you may upload some screenshots or some screen recordings of your problem. And after uploading that, you can simply tap on submit, which will be on the middle of your screen, and after that TikTok may take action on that. So that's it. That's how you fix your TikTok following glitch. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.